Assalamualaikum. Hey guys, welcome to our new channel Ians Academy. अगर आप हमारे चैनल पे नए हो तो प्लीज़ हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें और साथ ही लाइक करें, शेयर करें और कमेंट भी ज़रूर करें और सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट बेल आइकन को भी दबाना ना भूलें।
Good morning class. Today I will be teaching you Unit 1 lesson number 2 Go and Come. So everyone open page number 2 lesson number 2 of your English textbook lesson number 2 Go and Come. Go and come. Go. We all know go means to leave. When someone says go from here, it means leave that place, move away from there. Similarly, come. Come means to move towards the speaker. If someone says come here, it means you have to move towards that person, nearer to that person. Now let's begin the lesson. It is a beautiful lesson. In this lesson, we will learn how to get things done from somebody. Instead of being harsh or rude to anyone for getting any sort of work to be done, one should be very polite and kind and request in a very polite way. This will help us in getting our work done. Instead of saying, go, do that work, one must say, come, let's do the work together. In this way, you can convince anyone to do any sort of work. Firstly, I will read the lesson and then explain its meaning. So everyone, place your fingers where I am reading. Once there was a little boy who lived in a pretty little cottage. There was a lovely garden around the cottage. Different kinds of plants grew in the garden, and so there was a lot of work to do there. The plants had to be watered every day. They had to be given manure from time to time. They had to be cut and pruned at the right time. The garden needed weeding and cleaning. Everybody in the little boy's family helped to take care of the garden. Okay, now see, once there was a little boy. Little boy means small boy who lived in a pretty little cottage. Pretty means beautiful. Pretty means beautiful. He lived in a beautiful little cottage. Cottage. What is cottage? Cottage means a small, simple house. When we visit our village, we can see their cottages. That is, we can see many small, simple houses. Small, simple houses are called cottages. So, the little boy lived in a pretty little cottage. There was a lovely garden around the cottage. Lovely garden. Lovely garden means very beautiful garden around the cottage, around the little boy's house. You all have visited the garden? Yes, many gardens you all have visited. What is there in the garden? There are many trees, beautiful flowers, swings, slides, and many other things. Similarly, in this little boy's garden also, there were many plants. And so, there was a lot of work to be done in the garden. Lot of work means many work was to be done in the garden. First work to be done was to water the plants every day. The plants had to be watered every day. They had to be given manure from time to time. They had to be given manure from time to time. Meaning of manure is material mixed with soil to help plants grow. In simple words, we can say manure means the food for plants. How We do breakfast, lunch, dinner from time to time. Similarly, the food must also be given to the plants to grow well. So, plants must get manure from time to time. They had to be given manure from time to time. Understood the meaning of manure? Okay. Now, they had to be cut and pruned at the right time. What is the meaning of pruned? Pruned means to remove dead and unwanted parts of the plants to help them grow. Unwanted part means parts which we don't want. In our body parts, our nails and hair grow. We cut the grown unwanted nails and hair, isn't it? Yes. Similarly, the plants also had to be cut and pruned at the right time. The garden needed weeding and cleaning. What is the meaning of weeding? Weeding means removing troublesome, unwanted plants from a field or garden. Troublesome means troublesome plant means the plants which stops the growth of other plants. So we have to remove or cut such plants. As there was lot of work to be done in the garden, everybody in the little boy's family helped to take care of the garden. Means all the family members, they work together. They helped it to take care of the garden properly. Now see further. Next paragraph. The boy had a very strict uncle who came to stay with them for a few days. The uncle believed in hard work and discipline. Okay, this boy had a uncle, and his uncle was very strict. And he came to stay with this little boy's family for a few days. What is the meaning of few days? For a few days means for some days. The uncle believed in hard work and discipline. Hard work. What is hard work? Hard work means always doing a lot of work, always doing so much work. For example, if you want to achieve good marks in your exams, what you must do? You must work hard. So, the uncle so believed in hard work and discipline. Discipline. What is meaning of discipline? Discipline means everything should be done properly and perfectly. For example, you must have heard many times our headmistress Elsie madam, she tells all the students to be disciplined in school. What does it mean? It means to obey all the rules of the school. You should follow all the rules. You should behave properly. Okay, understood? Yes, similarly the uncle, he also believed in hard work and discipline. One day he saw that the boy was playing around in the house. The uncle saw that this little boy, he was not doing any sort of work, but he was playing around in the house. Little boy, said the uncle, you would be far better at work. Your garden needs weeding sadly. Go now and weed it like a good child. What did the uncle say to the little boy? The uncle said, you would be far better at work. Means he said, you, instead of playing in the house, you must go and work in the garden. Your garden needs weeding sadly. Weeding, as I explained you earlier, what is the meaning of weeding? Weeding means to remove troublesome plant which stops the growth of plant. So the garden needs weeding sadly. Sadly means very much. Immediately weeding must be done so that the plants grow well. So you must go and weed the garden now instead of playing around. But the little boy did not feel like reading that day. I can't do it, he said. Oh yes, you can, said the uncle. So the this boy was also moody like all of you. He was very moody. He did not wanted to weed the garden that day, but he wanted to play. So he said, I can't do it. He said, I can't do it. Means he don't want to do it. But what did the uncle said? Oh yes, you can. The boy's uncle was very strict and disciplined. He wanted the boy to weed the garden at that time only. At that time only he wanted the boy to weed the garden. So what did he say? Oh yes, you can. Well, I don't want to. Not just now, said the little boy. The little boy said, I can do it, but I don't want to do it right now. Means he didn't wanted to do at that time. He said he will do it, but not right now. I will do it afterwards. Afterwards means later on, after some time. Now I want to play. I don't want to work. What he wanted to do? He wanted to play at that time. But uncle, he wanted that little boy, he must weed the garden at that time. So what did he say? But you must, said his uncle. What did he say? But you must. Must means was must when must is used when you have to put compulsion to someone. So the uncle said, yeah, you must. Uncle said, you must. Don't be naughty, but go at once and do your work. This is an order. Get up and go. Get up and go. So uncle gave him the order. He said, you must go at once and do the work in the garden. Uncle said the boy that don't be naughty, go at once. Means go immediately means go now and do your work. And this was the order given by the uncle to the little boy, that get up and go. The uncle was himself a hard working man. He went away to carry on with his own work in another room, but the little boy sat still. He felt that his uncle was being unfair. His chin began to wobble. He had a lump in his throat and his eyes welled up. Okay, as I told you before, the uncle was very hard working. So he went away to do his work in another room, and he ordered the little boy to weed the garden. But the little boy sat still. He sat there only. He did not go to the garden for working since he wanted to play. He felt that his uncle was being unfair. Unfair means not fair. The boy wanted to play, but the uncle was not allowing him to play. So the boy felt that his uncle was being unfair. He started thinking that his uncle was not fair. His chin began to wobble. Wobble means his chin. Wobble means what? Wobble means when you cry, the chin moves from side to side. For example, see, when you cry or when little children starts crying, the chin moves from side to side. Similarly, the little boy's chin began to wobble. He began to wobble. He had a lump in his throat. Lump in his throat means what? He had a very tight feeling because of strong emotions due to sadness. He had become now very sad. As the little boy was very sad at that moment, he had a lump in his throat and his eyes welled up. Welled up means what? Welled up means his eyes filled with water, that is tears. The boy started crying. Just then his mother walked in. Just then means immediately, at that moment, means when the boy was crying, at that moment the little boy's mother walked in, means she came there. What's the matter, little boy? She asked. Why do you look so unhappy? What happened? Asked the little boy's mother. Why are you looking unhappy? Why are you so sad? Asked his mother. Uncle told me to weed the garden, said the little boy. The little boy said that his uncle has asked him to weed the garden. His uncle has asked him to weed the garden. Oh, said his mother. The mother said, okay. What fun that will be! I love to weed and it is such a fine day. Can I come and help you to weed? Now the mother realized that the boy was unhappy and he did not want to work in the garden. So she tried to convince the little boy to work. She tried to convince the little boy to work. She said, it would be so nice to weed. I love to weed. What does weed means? Weed means to remove the troublesome plants, and it is a beautiful day. It is a beautiful day. Can I come and help you to weed? Asked the mother to the little boy. What did she say? I like weeding and can I come and help you to weed? Then what happened? Why yes, said the boy. Why yes means the boy became happy. He became happy. His mother said that weeding is a fun also. Here now see what did his mother said. Weeding is fun. She enjoys weeding. We'll do the wedding. Here his mother did not order him like uncle to weed the garden. What did the uncle do? Uncle ordered him to weed the garden. But what did mother do? She said she told him that it's a fun. Come, I will also help you to weed. She convinced the child to work. So instead of giving orders, she convinced the little boy that the day was also beautiful and she also loved weeding. So both will weed together. The boy agreed. He said, okay. He said, yes. Come, let's do it now, said the mother. The mother said, come, let us weed the garden together right now. Right now means just now. Come, let us do it right now. The boy got up readily and went outside with his mother. The two of them weeded the garden beautifully and had a very good time together, working and chatting and laughing. The boy stood up and went outside of the house. The two of them means both the mother and the son. They weeded the garden beautifully means very nicely. They had a very good time means they enjoyed weeding because they were chatting and laughing, having fun during the work. They were working, but along with work they were also having fun together. So what do we understand from this lesson? We understand that how we can get the things done by not ordering them to do the work, but by convincing them to do that work convincing them to do that work beautifully. Understood? Instead of ordering, you should convince someone to do any sort of work. Understood the lesson? It's a very beautiful lesson, isn't it?